Hello students, welcome back to the class, and today we will do the revision of chemical properties of acid and bases. So be ready quickly and go through. First, acid students, which releases H positive ions in aqueous solutions. Acids, types of acids based on strength of H positive ions. Strong acids, weak acids. Strong acids are those which ionize completely in water. They ionize H positive ion completely in water, and weak acid does not do this. So see students, we have some examples like nitric acid, sulfuric acid and hydrochloric acid, and this is you can see acetic acid, then hydrogen carbonate, methanoic acid. These are the examples of weak acids. Students, generally this question comes in exam. Basicity of acid, number of, what is the meaning of that? Number of H positive ions which can be replaced by a base. Like for example, see H2SO4, we have, it is diabasic because see two H positive ions can be released in the water. So that is the basicity of acids. Okay, and here you see HCl. HCl is having only one hydrogen, so it is monobasic, right? Next one students, organic acids and mineral acids. So see, organic acids are like formic acid, lactic acid, oxalic acid, tartaric acid, acetic acid and citric acids. Mineral acids, here you see students, acids prepared from minerals present in earth crust is like H2SO4, HCl, HNO3, right? Now students, physical properties of acids. States sour, soluble in water, dilute acids, conduct electricity, change blue litmus to red. Now we'll jump to the chemical properties. See, reaction with metals plus acid, we get salt plus hydrogen gas. Remember that we have studied. Students, see, nitric acid, a good oxidizing agent, and form H2O, means water, in place of hydrogen gas. This question is very important in terms of your exam, so keep this in your mind. Reaction with metal oxides plus acid, we get salt plus water. You know that we have done like a base and an acid. If reacts, it will give salt and water. Neutralization reaction, remember? Next example, reaction with metal carbonates. We get metal carbonates plus acid, salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Sodium carbonate is the example. With hydrochloric acid, we get NaCl, carbon dioxide and water. Same with reaction with hydrogen carbonate. Same reaction you will get, student, salt, water plus carbon dioxide. Example is also given, sodium hydrogen carbonate, HCl. Now it's the turn of the bases. Types of bases based on the strength of OH minus ions. Strong bases, weak bases. Strong bases which ionize completely. Weak bases which does not ionize completely, OH minus ions. Like which ionize completely, like sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide, they ionize completely. Right students? Weak bases, they does not ionize completely. That's why they are weak. Students, here also a question comes like acidity of base. What do you mean by acidity of base? That means the number of replaceable hydroxyl groups present in base which released when dissolved in water. Sodium hydroxide, see, they have only one OH minus ion, so it will release only one OH minus ion and hence it will be monoacid. But calcium hydroxide, see, it is diacid base. It has OH2 ions, so it is diacid base. Properties of bases, students, physical properties, taste bitter, feel slippery to skin. Some bases are water soluble like sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. They are called alkalis, change red litmus to blue. Dilute bases conduct electricity. Bases reacts with metal to give salt plus hydrogen gas, just like an acid. Non-metallic oxides react with base to give you salt plus hydrogen gas. For example, carbon dioxide plus sodium hydroxide, you will get salt plus hydrogen gas. See students, these are some 1 marks type questions. You can pause and you can write in your notebook. See students, CBSE sample paper questions. Okay, you solve these questions in your notebook. I hope I helped. Thank you. Bye-bye.